What's good, YouTube? Justo Farm here, and it's the next part in the Justo Farm Coffee Lake PC build, and it's the main part, guys. It's the Coffee Lake itself, guys. And today for you guys, I got the unboxing of the Intel Core i7 desktop processor, the 8th gen i7 8700K, guys, for a great VR experience made by Intel. On the right of the box, it tells you that it's unlocked, 6 cores, overclocking capable, Intel hyper-threading technology for 12-way multitasking.
Angle a little bit, I can't see the lights in the way. Yeah, cool.
Intel Turbo Boost technology 2.0. Intel Smart Cache technology supports Intel Optane memory, supports 2-channel DDR4. Intel UHD Graphics E30 requires Intel 300 series chipset base motherboard. And on the back, you guys can see what it contains. There's a little sneak peek of it itself, and nothing else on the bottom and top. Let's get further on with unboxing, guys. So I'm going to be cutting the Intel factory seal, as you guys can see right there. Let me get the blade. Open this thing up. We got the Intel Core i7 processor installation instructions, and with 3-year limited warranty, Intel inside logo label, and stuff like that. There's the sticker right there to put on your processor, or on your motherboard, I believe. I mean, what am I saying? People put it on their case. That's what I'm saying. I always get confused. You guys already know I'm a farmer, guys. I don't know my computer stuff that well, but I know a little bit. And to open it, looks like you would pull this. As you guys can see what I'm pulling. This little cardboard slit to make it more accessible. And I will just pull it right there. And if you guys are wondering, I am using electronic static discharge bracelet and have it on a rubber mat, and it's connected to the desktop. That's the Intel Core i7 right there, guys. That right there. That thing's a brain. Costs so much money, guys. Or, not so much, but a lot of money for a computer, guys. For something this small. Look at it right there. Just so gorgeous.
Bring it like closer to the camera so I can see. Wow.
As you guys can see. I'm not even going to take it out of here until I really got to put it on the motherboard. So if you guys can see, I'm not lying. i7 8700K right there. And I'm going to be liquid cooling this, guys. Liquid cooling. Alright, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And check out the next part in the Intel Core i7 processor build, when I show you guys how to install this processor on your motherboard. And yeah, guys, take care.